friends, welcome to Let's Learn Pro. So how to revert an integer value. Suppose the user input is 1 to 3, then the result should be 3 to 1 in C programming. So basic idea is suppose we have 1 2 3. Okay, 1 2 and 3. So we will get the last element. Suppose I got the last element. Okay, and suppose if the user input has more elements there, so we will get the second last element. Okay, and whatever value we have currently, we will multiply into 10. Okay, and then we will add the next value, so this become 32. Okay, and again we will see the last element, so we have 1 here. Okay, so we will multiply this with 10. Okay, and plus the last element. So this will go same for this number 3. So initially we will have 0, and then we will multiply it with 10. Okay, and we will add 3 in this. So first value will be 3, next value will be 32, and the last value will be 321. So this is the required value. Okay, for this. So basically I hope you understood. We will get, I will tell you again. So we have three digits here. It can be any digits, any number of digits we can have. So the last element we will take, we have initially 0, then we will multiply that value with 10, and we will add the last element, and then this value become this value. Suppose this is some TMP. Okay, so TMP is initially 0, then it became 3 after this number, then it become 32, then it become the last number, which is the required value. So let's get started and write the program. So let's get started here. I will give some information to the user to enter a number. I will declare a number here, then I will do a scanf. I will get the user input right here. Okay, and after getting this, we will declare one result which will be 0 initially. So while number is greater than 0, so while uh, it reaches the first element and after that we don't have number, then it will exit the program. Okay, so what we will do is we will create one last element. Okay, last element, that would be last element. Okay, and then what we will do is we will get this result right here, and we will multiply this result with 10, and we will add the last element in this. Okay, and then what we will do is we will divide num by 10, because after dividing the last element will be the number value will be 12, then we will get 2 as the last element, then again we will divide, then we will be getting 1. Like that we can do. Everything looks fine. We will run the program here, and the result. Okay, so the result should be result. Okay, If we run the program, it, it is asking for that user input. Something went wrong. So the result will be here. Let's run the program. It is asking for user input. Let's enter 123, and you can see the result is 3 to 1. So let's input some big numbers. So here it is asking for, suppose I will give something like this. Then you can see this is returning the correct answer. So our program is working fine. So I will upload this program in GitHub and you can see there. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe the channel. Thanks.